Okay, you're here now. You're here now.
Okay, this my boy is the guru.
Okay, you are on
I'll
the.
just confuse them. Join.
You say I've found it. It's SBRO, not STI. SBRO. SBRO. It's going up now. You say you're losing.
Yeah,
You're not supposed to be in losses. Hold on. Let me go to the 1 hour. Let me break it
it's
down.
oil.
It's all your SBRO now. $84. Wow. Why did you enter this market? Yeah. But just that. Now, I was explaining something about oil for you again. This is it, right? You're saying it now. Now, see.
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Now, even though you are not a professional trader, just using this 20 EMA, you would have entered this trade from here since on the 13th and go out from here. This is the 1 hour chart. So this is a resistance that was here. Are you getting it? On the 1 hour chart. This was resistance. Now, it must not break below where you are right now. Once it breaks below, that means it will break and come down. To break and come down to find this support here. Are you getting it? Before going up again. It's as simple as that. So these are things you are about coming to learn now. Why sometimes, even though you're in losses, even though you took a right position, if I should see if this market is going to trend to the upside, I have to go to the higher time frame, which is, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm listening.
I have to go to the higher time frames, which is here. Are you getting it? Now, an indication is telling me now on the 4-hourly chart that this market is about trending to the highs because my EMA rebound, my 20 has crossed my 50. So definitely is a bullish sign. And but how much are you losing? This market is a very, very wrong thing for me to advise you that you should remain on this market, because go to the higher time frame, which is the time frame, to find our support and resistance. Yes, we are coming here. Listen, but I don't know how much you have. We are coming here. We are coming to $89. This is a very good trade, though, but that's not a good entry. So I don't know how much you have.
Okay. I have 200 and I'm already losing. I'm really a year trade with this. I have 204, but I don't have 5. I'm already losing 133.
Damn.
And
what are your lot size? Don't you calculate your lot size? We'll get there. Risk and money management is part of training also.
Okay. Because see the credit I have. This credit will go off when it is already 300. I mean, when it is.
Listen to me. Can you listen to me? Can you listen to me?
Yes.
Get this off. Let me analyze this chart for you, and you see that it will play exactly, it will play out like this in the next 3 months.
Okay. Hold on, please. 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
I want to screen record it.
Okay.
Do you mind?
Okay.
Timothy, please come. Are you done?
I'm waiting for you.
Okay. I think I know how to. This is screen record. I'm putting voice on the screen, right?
No, yes.
Yeah, then I start. Okay. All right. So I'm
recording now. This is UK oil. I'm on the 1 day time frame. I'm not using any other time. I'm just doing a top-down analysis for you in 1 or 2 minutes. Are you getting it? Telling you what is about happening in this market. Now, this market, let me use a brush so that it will be fast. This market went up. Are you getting it? Came down, went up, came down, broke this support. Now, this support now has turned resistance.
It's like it's not moving, sir. Your arrow is not moving, sir.
I'm moving, just like maybe it's slow on your end.
Okay.
Or probably I'll do a screen record from here. I'll do a quick screen record from here and send to you.
Okay, sir. That's better.
Okay, but let me just analyze and go. Let me start again. Are you getting it? Let me start again. Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see, and start again. Hold on. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm trying to see if I can record this again for you. Where is this meeting? Okay, I'll do it on what's it called? Oh. I'll do it. I wanted to record it as we're talking right now to analyze it for you. It's as simple as ABC. Are you getting? It's not like very, very, very big. Now, are you seeing me?
I'm seeing.
This market went up. Are you seeing my arrows?
Yes, I'm seeing it now.
It came down. I'm on a 1-day time frame. It went up again, creating a double bottom, a double top. This is an indication that this market is about to reverse. For you not to break above this, you will learn all those things very soon. If I was you now, if I was here now on the 7th of November, I will enter a sell trade to come and see if we can find support here, because this was a previous support. This was a previous support. I get into see if we can find this previous support that it will hold, but it did not hold. It broke the previous support with this candle. Are you getting it? So this support did not hold. It broke the support with this candle and came down. Are you getting it? It came back to retest that particular support that's broken. It now became resistance. The moment it couldn't break this on that entry again as a trader to come down because it will break this. Now it will break this. Now my Fibonacci will work in this kind of places. Why? Because now let me show you something that you don't know now. Now, after any break, market retraces on your Fibonacci retracement tool, just 0.3. Now let me bring my Fibonacci tool in. If I drop from here to here, where did it stop? 0.38. Are you saying it? It stopped at exactly my 0.382 value. Are you getting it? After every reversal and it breaks in every support, the market does not go far because buyers are saying that they no need to buy. I beg. Let me just take profit to that extent. Enter that particular resistance and start coming down again. So if it actually held my 0.382, that's to tell me that we are going for a Fibonacci extension level of 0.786. Now, see, these things are very, very, very easy. Now, if I delete this now and bring my extension where the market is going to, it's going to 0.786 before it will retrace. Now, let me bring it out. Now, if I've entered that market from this place, are you getting it? And I do my Fibonacci extension, you will learn all these things very soon. Where did this market end? Exactly 0.786. Are you getting it? Now, where is this market going to again? Let me leave this. Where is this market going to again? This direction I'm giving you now, 100% complete direction. Where is market going to again? Now, because of this guy has broken out and retested, he created a supply zone here. Now, this place is now where this supply started from because it has broken all our important
resistance.
Support, not turn resistance. He came to retest this support. Are you getting it? He could not break it. So you see these green candles you are seeing here? They were all the what's it called? It was trying to push up back into the market again, push up. Now that this whole place now turned a supply area. There were too many supply in this place. That was why it overpowered the buyers and came down to 0.786. Now, if I'm you now saying I'm looking for another entry again, assuming this thing has not already happened. If I am you now, I know that going up is throwing against the trend, but I would likely use my Fibonacci retracement tools again and say that where are we coming to 0.786 or 0.75. I can take another buy position from this 0.786 to 0.5 and go out again. This is a very, very huge profit, and wait for it to show me a sign at this supply zone where to retrace, giving me a bearish engulfing candle confirmation of entry, knowing that we are trying to sell again. Watch. Remember what we saw on gold. Bearish engulfing candle.
It went down.
Are you getting it? Now, if I see, since we are the trend is telling us that we are selling because we started selling here. See, we started selling here. A bearish engulfing candle. I will enter this trade to come to my supply and my demand zone again. Now there is a demand now created here. So I will enter this trade to come and test my demand zone. So from here to here now, can even give me on that $10,000 again. So I might just take probably 500 pips. This is about 10,000 pips. I might just take maybe 1,000 pips, sorry. I might just take probably 500 pips into this trade. I'm off. Don't be greedy. So I've gotten this right now. Now, something has happened here again that I'm analyzing. I'm still analyzing. Listen to me. Now, this guy, something has happened here. Now, see what manipulation means in this market, because I'm breaking it down now. I'm teaching you. Now, this guy is supposed to come and break this again. Like now, we came up with found supply. We're supposed to break down again, breaking this support and start trending because we are trending. We didn't break. That's where I was tell myself as a professional trader that, hey, guy, leave this market. It's not your market. There's not a battle between buyers and sellers. So I will likely draw a trend line from this beginning to this place and carry it up to meet this particular support tone resistance. Are you getting it? Now, something is going to happen. Sorry. Now, something is going to happen in this market, and I will flow with it like this. If I'm trading with you or we are trading together, this is a very, very bad entry you entered right now. So since we're on the 1 day time frame, we'll go to the lower time frames to see the trend, see how it's going. Now, I came down, are you getting it? Came up to supply, found supplies, came down to touch this trend line again. Now I'm going up, definitely going to break this guy, this whole resistance here to come to our supply. Once we touch now, we come back to this trend line again. We come back again, then we'll break this. Why? Because the strength of the sellers got weak here. Listen on, the strength of the seller got weak here. Then we came here, we couldn't break. We came down again to touch the same trend line. Now we did, the strength of seller got even weaker. This is the biggest, that third entry I told you last time is this guy now. Are you getting it? Once you enter from this guy and it came up, it couldn't break. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. If you are swinging, you can swing from here to here. You make money. Then to come down, if you find supply here, if you find demand here again, know that we are coming back to come and break above this. Now, this guy is this whole thing that I've just drawn here is called something an ascending triangle chart pattern. Are you getting it? Ascending triangle. It has not happened, but I've projected it from now till March. Are you getting ascending triangle chart pattern?
I'm on a real bad trade.
Are you getting it? What did you see here? Let me go to the images. On Google itself, just go and find Google, an ascending triangle chart pattern. What happens on ascending triangle chart pattern? Are you seeing it?
I'm with you.
Are you seeing my screen?
Yeah, I am.
This is what I just drew here right now. It tends to break to the upside. It tends to break to the upside. Ascending triangle chart pattern. It tends to break to the upside. Ascending triangle chart pattern again, breaks to the upside. Ascending triangle chart pattern again, breaks to the upside. So even though you are battling with buyers and sellers, and this is happening, from here to here is large money. Come here again, large money. Come here again, large money. Come here, large money. Now, when it finally comes here and breaks this whole rubbish that was happening here, now this is where the big money will come, the 100% confidence that the buyers won will come. Now, see how it happened. Now, just simply draw a trend line from here to here, even though you wait till March. This about, it's 8 to 102 is about more than, if you calculate it in pips, is about more than 4,000 pips or even 40,000 pips. If I even enter this trade from here tomorrow, we are here now, this trade you are on right now, that's if you had money and you are swinging it. So if it comes out here and hold, probably you have maybe 10 million naira and you are trading, probably you enter the position with probably 20,000 naira. If it comes here, probably 900,000. Come here again, probably 1 point something million. Come here again. Once it breaks this now, this is where the confidence of buyers will come 100%. That this place, it will get to here. Now look, oh, when I drew this thing now, did I look up? This is a major resistance coming probably June, July again. This is where we're coming to, June, July. So I have projected as a long-term trader into the future for the next 6 months, what will happen on Brent crude oil. By following this direction, and in the next 6 months, I can trade only this and I can make 1 billion naira out of only Brent crude oil I've explained right now. Next 6 months. It's as simple as this. So whatever you're learning right now are all these directions and these chart patterns. Are you getting it? The chart patterns.
I guess it. So I'm really, really on a wrong trade.
Yes. So if you want to analyze whatever happened in this candle, this green candle, let me map it out. Let me map this green candle out. If you want to analyze whatever happened on that green candle and go on the 1 hourly time frame, I can still day trade it out. Are you getting it? Do you hear what I said just now?
Yeah, that you can still.
I can still day trade it out because right now, are you getting it? This was a resistance on the 1 day time frame. This was a resistance. Oh, what show? This was a full. What happened in the full day? So I know that we are bullish already because we couldn't break this guy. So this is messy. This guy is telling me that since I'm here already on the 1 day time frame and it's reversing and it's showing me green candles, I want to buy. So even though I go on the 1 day time frame to day trade it out, I can catch this 1 day move by just going up. Are you getting it? Breaking above this guy and also changing character, then come back to 0.618. Are you getting to test if we can find and start going back up? So I will take a trade position from entry from here and see we couldn't break it. The third time we flushed to the upside to come and find a support here on the 1 day time frame. So in the in a full week, I can take this trade and make as much as this. So you're on a right, you're on a very, very right trade, but you entered in the wrong time. Because this particular trade I'm explaining on the 1 hour, as we're saying right now, we are about coming to a very important supply area. What if there are supplies here? What if there are supplies there? That's why they say day traders tend to lose money because they are trading on a time frame that does not hold much water. Because what happened here, we are still in between this push to the downside. We are trading in between this push to the downside. So whatever happens here are in between this push. So it's just,
Very well.
it's just you getting a sense of whatever you are doing. So if I am a trader, I am you as a trader, and I'm calling myself a professional trader, and I'm saying that I'm not making money, that means you don't even know whatever is happening here, because we are in between this push right now. And how did I know that we are coming back to the upside? Is because, listen on, is because we came down, we came up, we tried to go up, we couldn't go up. We came down, we couldn't break this particular support. We came up again, we broke this, we changed character to the upside. We came down again, we couldn't break. That's my third confirmation. That's the third one I've always told you.
That cannot, is holding.
Now it broke to the
went
upside.
up.
Yes, it started changing as it started trending up again, broke all this previous lower low again. Now it created a lower low, higher low, lower low, higher high, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Are you getting it? Now it created a higher high to the upside. Now it's supposed to come back to this supply. So leave that trade now. You are wrong. To come back to this major, now see this supply now, is a major supply on the 4-hourly chart. If I go to the 4-hourly chart, see it.
But it's not going there.
Now, this is, it might go up and come to this particular thing. You are in between now. You are in between these two guys now. So if I was you as a day trader, I would have entered from here. This bullish candle has shown me a bullish sign already, because this is between. Now, we came down, we went up, we couldn't break, double top, we came down again, we broke this. Now this guy turned support. Now I've broken above this guy again. So this is an entry for you again. I would have entered from here to come and touch here. So this place you have entered right now was a very wrong entry. This was your entry. That was on 11th. This was your entry.
And I'm even on a sell.
So you are there?
I'm even on a sell. So wrong.
You're on a sell? No. Oh. Now the money you have now, what if this place does not turn resistant? Note that on the higher time frame, I'm even telling you that this might be might be a, what's it called, a liquidation point, whereby we'll liquidate and get to this up to this extent.
And I'm out. Okay.
Trading is very simple. Trading is very simple.
Really, I've been really blind.
You have been
okay,
blind.
So right now,
look at something now. Look at something now. Now, anybody
it was 130 something. It's gone to 125.
It will come down. No, that it will not come down. But will your money get to this extent? Let me go back to probably 1 hour, 2 hours. Will your money get to this supply to see if we can come down, which is a gamble? Is it a gamble?
Let me delete it.
Hold on. Will your money come here if we calculate it? Because this is a supply zone.
Okay. Well, if we calculate it to the supply zone, which is looking at my 4-hour time frame, I would imagine that the supply zone is around.
This is supply zone. This is supply zone. This is supply zone. Because how do I know that is supply zone? On this particular push to the downside, this was where caused the break off. This was where the supply started from. This was where the sale started from. So definitely, definitely as a professional trader, definitely what we are trying to do is come in here to liquidate this guy, before start coming down again. So you are right, as you are telling, you are right too. But do you have the money to get here?
That the only hope I have is if you can
come to this bigger time frame, this 1-day time frame supply,
and break it.
I might not know it. Might not. You do not break it. You do not break it because this place is too empty. Are you getting it? It's not break it. That place is too empty.
So I have. Let me send you my chart again. Let me send you a chart.
You're giving me another trade setup now, because if I see this, confidently I will enter to come and take profit here. because this is another
I want
demand
to
zone.
send you something I have.
Because it's under demand zone again, I can see here. So it definitely will hold since it's an ascending triangle. So I'll take this and drive it again. So this is another market I've seen again. Drive it to the upside, then come here, finding a 0.5. Are you getting it? And do probably what's it called? Do probably a head and shoulders pattern from here. Are you getting it? The left shoulder, the right shoulder, the head, the left shoulder, and give me a probably another entry, a lower entry to the upside. So this is what I'm looking at. This thing I've analyzed here now, from now to March, even though it does not come at 100%, it come at 80%.
Now, wow. So at this point that I am at now, and you are on the 4-hour time frame,
Yes.
and look how long I still have to go. Everything would have finished. The only thing that I look at,
that is where risk and management comes in, because you took for you to be something. Hold on, listen to me. For you to be in this kind of big loss right now, that means you use over 20% of your trade, of your money to enter this trade. That's where risk and money management. That's where risk and money management comes in. If I even pull out,
how can this kind of person sleep? If not, I have zeroed my mind that it's a new day. This has been my trouble.
Right? If I even pull out my EMAs right now, 20, 50, and 100, 200 EMA, it showed me something already that this guy is bullish. Because once 20 cross 50, it has entered a bullish phase. Buyers tend to make use of, and it's even above on the 4-hourly chart. It's even above 200 already, which is supposed to be resistance. This guy that is supposed to be resistance, but resistance here that brought it down. But resistance here that brought it down. Are you getting it? So definitely, this was resistance that will bring it down again. Are you getting it? So there are many things I look at. That's why I prefer using my 4-hourly time frame to look at my
structure. So let me delete this. So honestly, let me delete this and fight another day.
Yes, it's better to delete this and fight another day. But professionally, if you are selling, God, I don't even know how to explain this market. Because right now you are scared. If I'm the one, no, I will not be scared. If I have more money, I'll put more money. Because definitely, even though we'll get here, we'll come down. But it's good to take your loss. Take your loss and fight another day. Take your loss now and fight another day. Because if I remove this and bring my EMA ribbon, something will tell you, look at that confirmation again. Are you seeing my chart?
Yeah, I'm going back there.
I have something else called EMA ribbons. Now my EMA ribbon is on the 4-hourly time frame, which is telling me that it's a strong buy, because I was supposed to enter this buy from here. From here. It's telling me that go long, don't worry, go long and exit on your higher time frame. What's it called?
Resistance.
It told me that I should go short from here and come out from my normal resistance and my what's it called? Support. And come out and leave from my support. And this was my support. I guess now I would have left here. I wouldn't have gotten down to this place safe. This is a good trade. On that trade again. Are you getting it? Now he's telling me that I should go long again from here. From here that I've just drawn now. I should go long. And it will take me. It will tell me again where to go short again. So I have many things that tells me what to do, even though I'm a professional. Now, is my RSI saying differently? No, my RSI was telling me to buy from here. Look at my RSI. It was overbought. So I would have entered from here because my RSI was telling me to buy from here. And my MACD was also telling me that, guy, I'm fading. My selling pressure is fading already, going to the upside. I would have entered from here. My RSI was telling me the same thing that I should enter. My stochastic was also telling me the same thing that I'm overbought already, that I should enter. So that this would have been a very good buy trade for me to go to the upside. So the confidence alone that you gather from your confluences gives you the confidence that you should be on that trade for as long as you want, because it was even trending on the daily chart. It was even trending on the daily chart, going up, coming down, it couldn't break, going up, breaking above, changing character, coming down, it couldn't break, enter, breaking above, giving you other
going
points,
higher.
going higher, creating lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, now lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, just trending. Now this market has been trending all this while. You blindly did not know that this market was trending to the upside. It will not give you a clean structure. They are not foolish. These people are banks. They will not tell you what to do. It's coming down, but it might shoot up again because we are in a bullish market until we get to our supply, which is this guy. This is the supply.
Hi. At what point is the supply, please?
Supply zone. This is our 4-hour supply zone.
Where is it? Where did you touch?
Look at what I drew. Aren't you seeing my chart?
Yes, yes, yes.
Because this was the supply. This we are now. This is what I look at. When this push happened, I started going back up. We are still we are still bearish. We are still selling on because we are still in between this push now. You see this thing I drew here? We are still in between this push. So it's not a must that we have turned bullish already until we break above this major supply before we turn bullish again. But we are still in a bearish trade. But do you have the money to fight this battle in between these guys? Do you have the money to fight the battle in between what is happening here? That's the question.
The only money that I have, if you look at what I sent you now, is that money they gave me to leverage. It gets off when it's now 300%.
Just after I end this this training, after I end this training, I will still look. Have you got enough?
No, I've not got enough. Oh.
Hold on. I will give you a professional place to get off so that you will not lose much.
Okay.
But I think this is recording.
But you see, these are the things I suffered when I was with Raleigh. I'm still with Raleigh, but I can't wait to get off the train.
You just need to get off.
I don't want to get off without picking money off for all the pains I went through. You will call your account manager, and the account manager not go hold your hand, or even just tell you clear direction. Put money back for me.
Can I tell you something? Trading, any money you lost, you have to take responsibility for it, even though it's 100 million. Take it that you have lost it, and is a lesson learned, because if you have not taken that trade and lost that money and keep trying, you wouldn't have seen me. That's just trading.
Well,
so know that one day, a day will come, as long as there's life, a day will come, you'll make all your money back.
Amen.
Are you getting it? So professionally, what I'm saying right now is I'm praying for you, that this market goes to this supply zone, then come here to find the resistance, and you get off here. I don't know where you entered. Get off here, then you might be in profit. Are you getting it? Then trend to the upside again.
I'm with you. You are praying that the market goes
down. Since you say you are trading now.
Yes.
So I pray that it comes to this place and start going down even from here, because there's a little on the lower time frame. On the lower time frame, there's a little supply here. Are you getting it? I don't know if it will hold. There's a little supply here if I go to the 1 hour time frame. So I don't know if that's what's happening already. Are you getting it? Because I'm saying first 1 hour is going down, second 1 hour is coming already, but I don't look at the 1 hour for my trade entries and exit capitalize, because you can see it was going down, it was shopping, just doing the rubbish it wants to do. Now, if I was you, I saw something else here. You see all these things as time goes on. Are you getting it? This was a perfect W pattern that tends to break to the upside. So there are main things I see that you start seeing after your training.
Yes, so
Intraday trading. Are you getting it? For you to take profit, as in if you want to make money now for maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, I would have seen this and entered with this bullish candle that above this. Know that we are looking above this. I'll go into the high. If I go to my 15 minutes time frame,
now I did learn.
something even happened here. After breaking to the upside, I was waiting for the retest, and it actually happened because it went up. It went. Hold on. It went up and came back to retest. He retested, he held, break above this, came to this up. This was my entry to go to the higher time frame week high. So if you zoom this out on the 15 minutes time frame, all time frame holds, they work, but the higher time frame, like 4 hours, is the one that is good to trade intraday trading. Except we get something called an evening, a shooting star, meaning that if this 4 hour after in the next 23 minutes, if this turns to a shooting star, are you getting it? If this turns to a shooting star, the next 4 hours is red, are you getting it? Then we can do this, a shooting star, the next 4 hourly candle is red, then we can start coming to this place. So if I'm trading SBR with you, this is what I'll be looking out for. Because what is a shooting star? Shooting star candle. So you have to learn all this candlestick pattern.
Yes, so
You have to learn all this candles. This is where we are going to next week now. This is it.
Okay.
This guy turns to a shooting star with the next hourly candle to be red, was to come back to this particular support that I drew here. I guess to see if we can find demands here and go up again. You understand?
Okay.
It's not a guarantee.
Okay.
Not a guarantee. Not a guarantee.
Nothing is guaranteed. Especially that you are even seeing supply on the
trading. Nobody should tell me that trading is a risk if you know how to trade. It's not a risk.
I'm learning a whole lot. I'm really learning a whole lot. I'm just happy that.
Except you tell me
I've
now.
been seeing your test, but I just thought you were doing your